Hello there, and welcome to today's lesson. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do today is take a look at the idea of what they call the CRAP test. So yeah, CRAAP. The first, so it's an acronym. The first thing is currency. So we're going to look at is what we're looking at kindly. And so here are some questions to ask. But to break it down, the question really is this too old? So is the source too old to be useful? Relevance. So there are a couple different questions to ask here, but the first is, who is this written for? So if it's written for just, anybody and everybody, it's probably not as relevant. Generally, if you're looking, you're citing information, you want it to be from a source that specializes in the type of information that you're looking for. So if you're looking for historical information, you'll want a site that has some legitimacy in the area of history and is intended for either professionals in the area or for people with an interest in history. Also, of course, this one's more of a reflective thing. How much did I look at first? Did I search in Google and just click on the first link and that's all I looked at? Probably, again, doesn't meet the requirement. You want to look at a few different options before you settle on which source that you're going to use. Authority. Who is the author, publisher, etc.? Is this somebody I know about or not? Is this a site that gets, how do they get their money would be another question asked. Does this place get their money from, advertisements, from, people with political agendas, etc.? Or are they making money off of the fact that they're experts in a particular area? Accuracy. This is, you have to read through stuff to be able to answer these questions. But the number one thing is, what type of evidence are they using to support what they say? Can I verify any of this evidence? Is the tone objective or is it more subjective? Are there errors in spelling, etc.? That usually indicates a sloppiness that you don't really see in professional publications. And finally, purpose. What is the purpose of the information here? Why are they doing what they're doing? Is the idea to advocate? If so, it's probably more opinion-based. Is it factual? And is it impartial, neutral toward both sides? Are there biases, which probably everything has to some degree, but are there serious biases in terms of politics, ideology, culture, religion, institution, or just somebody's personal agenda? Any one of those things disqualifies a source as being reliable. All right, the first thing that we're going to do in order to practice this is head over to Factitious, but you know what, I'll go ahead and stop this video here and start up another video that's more pertinent to that separate assignment. All right, that's the intro for today.